loop in Kasilof, headed towards the beach. Yeah, I'm just going to camp out at the beach tonight. The tide's out. Should be able to see that's Mount Ilyamna on the left, Mount Redoubt straight ahead. This is where we're camping. It's a little bit breezy and that wind is just not very warm. So I need to hurry up and get a campfire going. Got the fire started. It's gonna be a beautiful evening. It is really not very warm though, so I'm gonna definitely get that fire raging. It's 10 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's chilly. Fire's nice. I got the barbecue going, gonna throw a steak on, sit here and watch this beautiful sunset. This is what living in Alaska is all about. Got the meal prep is done. Steak, I actually marinated the steak yesterday with seasonings. It's just been in the fridge overnight. That's what's for dinner. I don't know if we're going to have any northern lights tonight, but hopefully. It'll be a beautiful sunset for sure. Well, the steak's done. I'm going to go ahead and eat up, and then I'm going to go sit by the campfire and watch the rest of this sunset before it disappears. It's what I call a great way to get away for the evening. Glad you guys joined me on this adventure. Be a lot more ahead. there's the last of the campfire outside. Sitting in the Vanagon where it's nice and warm. Good morning. Just waking up. Slept really good, listening to the waves on the beach all night. Just barely hear the fuel pump for the diesel heater. I got it turned way down. It got way hot in here last night, even as cold as it was outside. It's on 2 right now out of 10. Got the Vanagon warming up. Sunrise will be here in a minute. It's my view. It's gonna be a beautiful day. There's the mountains, there's a log floating out in the inlet. Did a cold start on the Volkswagen at 0 degrees Fahrenheit, or minus 17.7 Celsius for my friends overseas. Syncro, baby.